Across the globe, we've been dealing with supply chain disruptions and labor shortages unlike anything we've seen in recent years. We're only maybe 5% automated. The United States has a lot of room to grow. Europe is largely automated. Southeast Asia has a lot of automation. And we're seeing now in the United States a demand.
Jasco, like most companies, really has seen our supply chain get so much longer over the past 2 years. We sell consumer electronic accessories and lighting to all the major North American retailers. Here at Jasco, we run a OmniChannel distribution center out of Oklahoma City. To give you an idea of the size and scope, we do over 20,000 pallet and parcel orders a day. But in order to do that, it takes our average employee approximately 16 miles of steps throughout the day to fill all those orders.
So at the beginning, we studied Jasco's process to try to understand the rates, the human effort, the processes involved, all of those processes that come together to understand the before in order to design for the after. And that's what we've done here. The final solution consists of an inbound carton sortation system, an automated shuttle storage and retrieval system, pick and pack stations, and a semi-automated ergonomic palletizer and wrapper.
Lockstep collaboration for TGW and Burns & McDonnell was at the heart of our success here for this operation. I mean, we deployed state-of-the-art packing and sequencing technologies, and by adding Burns & McDonnell's capabilities from a construction standpoint overall, the customer really achieved the benefit they desired, which is the right cost, the right time, and really delivering the best results for their overall warehousing operations, which is exponentially better productivity throughout their entire operation.
The retrieval system that's been created for our distribution center is very sophisticated, yet it's somehow really easy to use, which is really the cool thing about it, and really makes it predictable not only for the worker, but also predictable for us to know what our productivity is going to be really down to the minute.
This project was delivered using a design-build methodology. That allowed us to collectively design a project for Jasco that made sense for them.
You have to have a trusting relationship to be able to deploy and develop something like this and then actually deliver to the customer. I think that's one of the unique partnerships that we have with Burns & McDonnell. We're able to deliver and really integrate our timelines to give a lean process for our customers that they can really rely on.
We ultimately, at Jasco, were able to vet many different options, and for us, the choice was clear. The Burns & McDonnell and TGW program that we've put together absolutely propels us forward and really delivers all of the key performance indicators as well as an ROI that really is unheard of in the sense that we expect to recoup the project cost in under 5 years. You know, we go in now into this new automated world really understanding all the opportunities as well as the risks. And again, we really do feel as a leadership team we're going to be able to propel ourselves into future growth for years to come.